Hey, what's up? It's Hailey Bieber, and I'm gonna be talking to you guys today about the new Bare Minerals Strength and Length Mascara. What's cool about this mascara is that it has a lash-enhancing, plant-based serum in it. Something I really like about all Bare Minerals products is that they're completely clean. What's also nice about this mascara, and I'm just gonna put some on because I haven't done my mascara yet today, is that it has this cool paddle brush. Very good for application. Doesn't feel like it gets clumpy at all. It's super easy to apply. 100% of users saw stronger lashes with less fallout in just 8 weeks. I love that with this mascara, I don't have to use a separate lash serum because it's already infused into the formula. It's awesome. It helps to give you stronger, longer, fuller lashes, which we all want. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Tune in next time. Bare Minerals, the power of good.